See what the...
Well, they can alter the photograph and make it better. You can do it on grotch, isn't it?
You can add some hair later.
Yeah, add some hair, wear a hat. Yeah. You're not recording, are you?
Good. Hello, my name's Jason. I've been in the motor industry for... Start again, cancel it.
I said I was going to get it that time.
It's actually new. Got to retrofit the official BMW.
How do you get back in it?
So every tyre that every vehicle we have on the ramp, we always do a free vehicle health check. Have you made a boo-boo? What boo-boo have you done? So we'll start that again because he's filling it up and he left the drain plug out.
Yeah, just a quick flush there.
You can do that. Sure. So Harry had a moment of Matt.
I'm having a bit of a mare, aren't I?
Put it in the hole, Harry. You got it in the hole.
He's in the hole.
It's in the hole now.
He's in the hole.
Why is it not going in? Is it going in there? Hang on, see what model it is. So, you ready? So Harry's drained the gearbox oil, so it's a straightforward gearbox oil drain and refill with the approved gearbox oil. So he's now filling the gearbox back up again while spilling it.